Phoenix Contact XPC terminal blocks, leveraging Push-X technology, present a sophisticated solution for efficient and wireable PCB connectors. These blocks streamline PCB wiring by accommodating single conductors with the versatility to connect various conductor types, including those with and without ferrules. XPC series ensures direct, tool-free, and secure conductor connections. It incorporates a locking mechanism with a pretensioned contact spring, facilitating fully automatic clamping. The orange conductor release button enhances user safety and usability. Featuring reliable wiring with acoustic and visual feedback, the terminal blocks are well suited for applications in control cabinets or field connections. Additionally, they support quick conductor release, plug-in compatibility with other Combicon headers, and integrate an option for convenient testing. The utilization of Push-X technology further optimizes assembly time, making it a technologically advanced and efficient solution for automated wiring processes. Discover how to optimize your new product designs at Mouser.com.